event is being organized by Smarto, which represents 22 Group, and I am the CEO of 22 Group. And we have launched this event to empower the women, and we have put this name Khatoon because it's a nobility of the woman. So we are looking forward to promote and empower the women in this event. Thank you very much. We're looking forward to see you guys.
I am Bharti Monga, organizing this event Khatoon International, which is organized by Smarto LLC and represented by 22 Group. And of course ये बहुत prestigious event है for the women especially. आपको name से ही पता चल जाएगा Khatoon. Khatoon itself means a noble woman or a prestigious woman. So I will suggest to everybody, please come and have a take part in this event. So where you can show your talent, where you can show your energy, and of course our theme is totally modesty.
And they may not necessarily have an opportunity to showcase it. So we want to provide that platform for them and assist them in whatever.
You are watching Emirates News. Khatoon International Beauty Pageant and Awards 2022 is organized by Bharti, Monga, event director, CEO, founder of Smarto, award-winning fashion influencer, and presented 22 Group owned by Mr. Rashid Alamiri, CEO, May Al Dafra. Smarto and 22 Group are UAE-based companies. The main aim of this event is to encourage women to portray their beauty and talent in a modest way. We feel very glad to announce our very successful first audition, which was organized on 14th May 2022, and we look forward to our second audition on 22nd May 2022 in ھوٹل, Sheikh Zayed Road, Dubai. We invite girls, ladies who are confident and who's looking for an opportunity. Our grand event will be held in June, where ladies will be showcasing their talent and beauty in a modest way. This event is an event that is pioneering change and dedicated to women empowerment. Our vision is women empowerment, encouragement, and support for special needs children. Our mission is to ensure positive reinforcement, strong sense of self-worth and confidence amongst women across the globe. This is for Time News. At the moment, we take your leave. Thank you so much. This is Michelle Sheikha with you.
As a partner to Khatoon International and representing Versa X, we're really glad the outcome and the people who showed up at the event, the quality of the people showed not only outer beauty but also confidence and charisma. There are some inspirational stories that we've heard during the event. And I'd like to thank Smarto for organizing Khatoon International, which is represented by 22 Group. And I wish all the participants all the best, and we welcome more participants for the second audition that's happening this month.
Good evening, guys. I'm Muhammad Rafi from 22 Group and Smarto, CMO. And the event is going on for Khatoon International. That's an event organized by Smarto and represented by 22 Group. And that's a fantastic event is going on here. And it will be a new opportunity for all the new participants. And hopefully they will be enjoy and there will be more success upcoming events or the participant.
Khatoon International is organized by Smarto and represented by 22 Group. We had so many contestants who had talent, and we are looking for the second audition as well, which is next week. And we want all the girls and ladies to participate in the audition and showcase their talent.
Mostly for a lady, and Khatoon International is a very good platform giving chance to recognize the ability of the woman.
I'm doing business Onyx Advertising in Dubai. I am glad to be part of Khatoon International. So
Ashraf, I'm a fashion entrepreneur and a fashion model who worked as a fashion model. I have to say thank you to Smarto and Khatoon International for giving me this opportunity to judge. Actually, I'm one of the jury members.